Good morning. So I'm literally doing this. I just finished my workout. My kids are playing before we start school, and I just wanted to do this for you. I'm literally sitting on my toilet right now. Obviously the cover is closed, but I wanted to show you how simple it is to add in functional fitness into your day for pregnancy and postpartum and any period of your life, but so important during that pregnancy and that postpartum phase, because you have got to keep those deep inner muscles working, those stabilizing muscles. And first and foremost, you do that by starting connecting with your breath. And you guys, it's so simple. It's like, what? Really? Breathing? But if you start looking now, a lot of the bigger fitness people are like starting to figure it out. And they're like, wow, this one thing can literally change your life. And you guys, I have been preaching it from the beginning for the past 6 years. You've got to connect to your breath. So your breath, and understand how all of that works. So if you haven't grabbed your pregnancy guidebook yet, go grab that. I walk you through the steps, guys. For less than $10, you can get this with all the visuals, everything for you, okay? I have one for postpartum too, under $10, okay? Literally, and then you can come here to my YouTube and do the workouts for free. Like, I want to make this accessible to everybody. And then you can also grab your Take 5 journal, okay? So there's that. So literally, when you come in the morning, when you first wake up, okay, especially if you're pregnant, we know that you're going to use the bathroom maybe multiple times in the night. So literally you can close it, whatever, you know, if you're naked, have at it, do what you need to do. But you literally can come over almost till it's like touching you a little bit, like your legs. And you're literally just going to connect to your breath. And as you're going to go down and exhale. So you're going to inhale and exhale. And now when you're going to a squat, you don't want to be like here. You literally want to be keeping that straight back. So keeping that neutral, checking rib cage over hips. Obviously if you have a belly here, you know, your belly's going to be here, your baby, and then you're going to have your rib cage, your hip bones, okay? So you're going to keep that straight. So as you go back, you're not changing the direction of the frontal or this, okay? You're literally going back like that. So you can do them slow. You can go down for a count of 3, and you can go up for a count of 3. Down for 3, and you're squeezing your glutes and everything, lifting and wrapping, okay? On the way up, squeezing. You can also go down for 1 and come up for 3, okay? Down for 1, up for 3. Squeezing, feeling that engagement. Down for down for 1, up for 3. You can also sit here and you can pulse it out, okay? There's so many different variations that you can do, and switching it up in your days. Guys, just spend a minute. Say, okay, I'm going to do 10 today. Do 10. Do 10 pulses. Do, 3 down, 1 up, whatever. Like, start there. Like, you don't need it to be huge and ginormous and being like, oh, I need the weights and I need no, just start here, okay? And then you can sit. Again, you don't have to do them all consecutive. I'm just showing you what you can literally do on your toilet, okay? While you're in here throughout your day. You can sit, scooch back, and then you want to have your knees a little lower. You can do some pelvic rocks here, and then get in your neutral. And literally, you're going to inhale, and on the exhale, you can lift your leg, but you're lifting through your deep core, okay? So inhale, lifting through your deep core. Inhale, you're using your deep core engagement to lift. So you're lifting that pelvic floor in and up your deep core. You're connecting those hip bones. All of that is in my journal, which is why I made it, so you know exactly how to engage it, okay? So literally, you're going to inhale on the down, exhale on the up. And you can do the same kind of thing. You can pulse it here if you need to. You can go up 1, down 3, really resisting. That's a good one. Oops, I'm leaning back, making sure you're staying up. So inhaling, exhaling, inhale, Okay, varying that. Or you can do for 5 and then down for 1. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you here is literally at any countertop. So maybe you're waiting for your coffee, your tea, maybe you're just standing in the kitchen like getting breakfast for your kids, and you take a moment for yourself. So I'm going to turn this, okay, so you can see me in the counter, my beautiful bathroom. So you literally can come here and you can do push-ups. So making sure you don't have a slippery carpet under. I hope you can see this, okay? I'll try to do it this way. Obviously you want to be straight, okay, but I'm going to do it kind of crooked so you can see. But leaning as far as you can go. You don't want to be here. Connecting that deep core. And literally you're going to put your arms right underneath your shoulders, okay? And then you're literally just going to go down. Sorry, this is crooked, but I want you to see. Okay, you're just going to go down. And you can do the same. You can go 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. You can put your elbows even closer right to your rib cage, so you're working those triceps, and you're going to go down. Okay, you can pulse it. 1, 2, 3, 1. Literally so simple. Another way that you can use a countertop for squatting is really good when you get into the later stages of pregnancy. You literally can hold onto the counter. Okay, and you're just gonna, my toilet's gonna be in the way. Sorry. Okay, you're gonna come here and you're literally, and you're just gonna hold a squat. You can hold it here, breathing and relaxing, and then come up. And you can go down. Okay, squeezing on the way up, and then on the way down, you're just fully relaxing your pelvic floor and your deep core. And then making sure you're squeezing your glutes so you're not feeling that in your IT band. Okay, but all super simple ways. And you can literally do upper body, lower body. You can also stand here, you guys. Perfect. You can do some leg lifts, which really work that inner core. You can do some half moon circles, keeping straight here. My toilet's in the way, preventing me from going all the way around. Half moon circles. Okay. Okay, I'll be right there. So you can do this. You can go out to the side and you can tap it up, keeping stable. You want a bar? I don't have a bar. Okay, hold on. I don't know what they're talking about. I lost my train of thought. Those are really good for the inner thighs, okay? You can literally, over the toilet, you can change up your squat. So instead of doing narrow, you can do sumo, turning your feet out, and you can tap, okay? This is great for the inner thighs, especially as you're doing a wide squat. You want to feel like, one, you're between a wall, and then really pushing away with the space in between, okay? You're pushing the space with all of this area. Those are great. So you can do that. You can also internally rotate your toes. So from this to straight to this, just works the hip flexors. So you can do some of those. Like, guys, it's so simple, okay? Which is why I'm bringing it down for you. I hope that was helpful. I will break up the different sets in the comments section. But again, if you haven't grabbed that journal yet, do so. Like, you're doing yourself a disservice by not grabbing that journal. For less than $10, you can literally change the way that you function in your everyday life. And it is so important for your pregnancy to stay strong and prepare your body for labor and birth and the demands of motherhood. If you're postpartum, grab the postpartum one, because it is so important to reconnect and realign all of those parts. Things shift and move during pregnancy. Your insides literally shift and move. And by healing, the way you start by healing is by focusing on that breath and then that deep core. The deep core activation literally stimulates your digestive tract, your intestines, and puts everything back in place. Okay? If you have questions, let me know. I am here for you. I am cheering for you. Make sure you grab the freebies. I have freebies for you down below in the comment section, and grab your journals.